beloved and respected teachers. Teachers' Day wishes from Sister Sheena Joseph, the Education Coordinator of SMSM Group of Schools from the Congregation of Seva Missionary Sisters of Mary, Chennai.
May I take this God-given opportunity to express my profound appreciation coupled with innovation to all the teachers of SMSM Group of Schools on this celebration-worthy day. The 5th day of September being the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, known for his erudition and scholarliness with excellent teaching skills, was an Indian philosopher, academic and statesman who served as the first Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962 and the second President of India from 1962 to 1967. He was famous for his work on comparative religion, comparative Eastern and Western philosophy, and also a teacher in India and at Oxford University in the United Kingdom. Dr. Radhakrishnan has been accoladed with several prestigious awards, including a knighthood in 1931, the Bharat Ratna in 1954, and also an honorary membership of the British Royal Order of Merit in 1963. The Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday for his impeccable contribution to the field of education and in honor of his belief that teachers should be the best minds in the country. The 5th of September, though a red letter day for all the school students every year due to pandemic COVID-19, all the schools are closed and we are in a precarious situation to receive wishes online from our lovely students and missing the mood of gaiety and festivity in our school premises. On this auspicious occasion, I acknowledge gratefully the hard work, commitment, and incredible support of 600 dedicated teachers working in our schools in the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana, and Uttar Pradesh, guiding and educating around 24,000 students. They are incarnating the vision of our founder, Right Reverend Monsignor John Kottaram, namely eradicating the illiteracy level of the children irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. I gratituously salute all our teachers who are collaborating with us in the mission of education by faithfully executing the vision of our founder and the founding pioneers, Reverend Sisters Mary Sebastian, Reverend Sister Victoria Peter, and Reverend Sister Arogya Mary. On behalf of our Superior General, Reverend Sister Alice Peter and her counselors, and the entire sisters in the congregation, I deem it a privilege to express my gratitude to all of you, dear teachers, as you are the backbone, beacon, and treasure of our SMSM schools, extending your dynamic, selfless, and loving service, aiming to make a qualitative difference in the lives of students. A good teacher, like a candle, consumes herself or himself to show the light to others. Wholehearted thanks to all of you for being the candle of empathy, enlightenment, encouragement, effectiveness, empowerment, and enthusiasm to our students. Gratitude makes sense to our past, brings peace today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. I place on record my wholehearted thanks and admiration for your strenuous effort to conduct virtual online classes continuously, in spite of the non-cooperation and critical outlook from a few parents. Hearty kudos to you for your creativity and innovation in using technology for the bright future of our kids. On this remarkable day, let me draw your attention to reflect on the traits of a good teacher. Traits of a good teacher refers to T for tactful, R for radiant, A for authentic, I for inspiring, T for teleological, S for smiling, O for optimistic, F for focused, A for agile, G for God-fearing, O for obliging, O for observant, D for diligent, T for tantalizing, E for encouraging, A for available, C for communicative, H for honest, E for energetic, and R for responsible. My humble wish and prayer is that each of you acquires the above listed qualities. May God, who is just and compassionate, bless you abundantly with good health, success, and a sense of satisfaction to effectively carry on the mission of transforming and molding young minds to build up a sparkling humanistic society. Happy Teachers' Day. May God bless